Wow. Hi guys! You see, ang ganda ng panahon. Spring na. Pero wala pang dahon yung mga trees. Well, you see that? How... Ayan guys. That's a bicycle trail. From up to down. And then somebody... I think somebody fall here. So, the bike... There. Broke. Tapos may nakita kami dun na porcupine. Natulog sa taas ng trees. Yan. Nag-walking kami kasi exercise. 'Di ba? Bold pa ang trees. Wala pa siyang wala pa siyang dahon kasi sa Vancouver, ang ganda na ng mga trees. Colorful na siya. Ito parang palabas pa lang, oh. You see that? Yan, oh. Tingnan mo yun. Para siyang yung parang seed, but it's not a seed. It's parang bubuka na soon yung kanyang flowers or dahon na colorful. Ayun, marami ditong bicycle trail. Maraming nagbabike dito kagaya doon, oh. Kasi it's a park for all Canadians. Of course, all. Not just Canadians, lahat. Oh, ito. Nag-start na, nag-green. Ayan. Start na. Malapit na yan. Ayan. Nag-melt na ang snow, ang ice sa river. So, now the flow is nice. Yan. Yan na yung river. Ganda na. Nagpo-flow na siya. Dati, hindi. Tapos kakakain lang namin ng ice cream. Tapos we burn out already the sugar that we ate. Ayan. Ayan na, oh. Ganda, no? Ito yung park nila dito. Lahat, yung mga taong gustong mag-exercise, dito sila nagba-biking, nagwo-walking exercise. Halos lahat ng mga tao dito, they did their outdoor activities like walking, exercises, jogging, etc. So, ayan. And my husband loves to walk outdoor. Me, I'm satisfied walking inside the house, going around just to do exercises. But both of us loves to walk. So, we are very body conscious. Kasi, we're getting older. Even when we are still, well, actually, when I was young, I don't walk a lot too much because I'm very busy with my work. So, this time, when I married my husband, I walk a lot. I did lots of outdoor exercises like biking. Ayan siya. Ayan. Hinihingal na ako. Kasi, di na masyadong nagwo-walk sa mga, sa hill. So, this one is a hilltop area. Aray. Yan. Makikita mo yung, I call that naked trees. Kasi wala pa silang dress. Joke. Oh, yeah. There. Ayan, oh. Ouch.
Yeah, careful. The grass is very stiff.
I call those trees naked trees.
Yes.
Kasi,
I'm sure they like that.
ayun na, nagbabike. Kasi wala pa silang clothing. It's they call this? Oh, where are we gonna go? Over there?
There.
You go first. Ayan, akit kami sa upper part, hilltop. So, yun pa lang nilakad ko Nihingal na ako. So, walking exercises outdoor. So more. Oh, there's a trailer here. I thought he's warm, but me, I'm still cold. It's cool breeze. Love, wait. There's an insect in your back. Oh. It looks like a garapat. Hinihingal ako, guys. Yan. We're going up. This is a cardio exercises. Good for our hearts. Oh, it's close. There's a fence there. I think they don't allow the bikers here. The bicycles. Well, you see, they close it.
They're going around it.
You sure? Oh, in that area only. Oh, oh, somebody open it. Ayan o. Sinira. Hi, Edison Candelaria. Oh, hinihingal ako. Ayan. Did you hear that? Toot.
Yeah.
That is how do you call that?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Flying grasshopper.
Ayan. Nag-start na Uy, not there. You see that? My shoes is not good for that. We'll try. So we are in the challenge place now. Okay. And it's slippery, love.
Yes.
We're gonna fall there.
It's okay.
My shoes is not by. You're sweating already.
Yes. Can you climb there?
Oh, see somebody gonna. I'm not sure of my shoes. My God, we are climbing. Oh, there! I got it! Whew! Ganda ng paligid, diba? Dito na kami sa taas. Hindi naman masyadong mataas. Ouch!
Careful with your hand.
You pull me. I'm not yet ready. That's a good exercise.
You're lucky.
My back is
Yes.
dirty,
Your
love.
hand, your hand okay? Because that grass is very short.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Edison Candelaria. Bye. God bless everyone.